Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of FotoStudioAI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
So what are you waiting for? Real proof, I launched my own AI photo agency last week and made $1,200 within 24 hours, see video below. Future-ready AI software that does it all for you, be at the forefront of AI technology in the booming photo industry. Low startup costs, high AI profits, minimal investment required to enter the lucrative AI industry. We just randomly took a photo and this software turned it into a really professional headshot, very impressive. I think it's time to ask my boss for a raise. Dear future AI business owner, let's uncover the photo's gold mine and grab ourselves a pot of gold, shall we? Have you noticed that the world is more visual these days? From LinkedIn to Instagram to TikTok. Everyone needs good photos on all their accounts. Not just that, from job seekers to working professionals and small business owners, the demand is huge. There are over 500 million professionals currently working medium to high-paying jobs across USA, UK, Canada, and Australia alone. At just $20 per photo, that's a $10 billion market you can tap into. Imagine if a person with no knowledge or expertise could literally get paid without even a website. Because you get commercial rights for all the photos created with the software, here's what typically I sell the photos for. That's right. They paid me $1,200 to do photos for a team of 20 real estate agents. I could not believe it. A person like me with no experience or knowledge of photography easily made $1,200 from just 50 AI-made photos. This is truly amazing. Awesome features of FotoStudioAI. Kickstart your agency and create multiple professional AI photos perfect for creating a portfolio or delivering stunning photos to clients. Offer your clients a diverse range of photos by generating images for both male and female models, expanding your service potential. Choose from 10 expertly trained AI models, each designed to create high-quality, unique photos for different needs, whether for business or personal use. Sell your photos with zero restrictions. The commercial license gives you the freedom to profit from every image you create. Upload as many images as you like and generate countless unique photos, ensuring your clients get exactly what they need. Your AI photos are stored securely in the cloud for 100 days, giving you and your clients plenty of time to access, download, and use them. Download your AI-generated photos as many times as you need, perfect for long-term projects and client satisfaction. Easily create custom photos for clients and charge them whatever you want. Your earnings, your rules. Set your own rates and maximize your profits, whether you're charging per photo or offering package deals. Save time with one-click photo generation. Your clients will be amazed at how fast you can deliver stunning results. Create professional-grade photos in just 5 minutes. Clients will love the speed, and you'll love the ease. Whether you're serving individual clients or businesses, this package gives you the tools to meet their needs with stunning photos. Deliver ready-to-use photos for any platform, from professional headshots to vibrant social media content, all in minutes. Offer clients photos that help them sell, promote, or attract, perfect for book covers, business branding, and even dating profiles. Want to offer something fun? Generate youthful photos that will make anyone look years younger. An instant hit with clients. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just a one-time payment for lifetime value, giving you everything you need to start your agency today. But wait, there's more. We want to make sure you succeed with starting your AI photo studio business, so we created some must-have bonuses that will put the cherry on the cake. 30 days money-back guarantee. We stand behind the software proudly and will give you your money back if you ask within 30 days. We will however want to ask you to make sure you follow our training, attend the live workshops to improve the way you use our software, and if need be, one of our team members can jump on a call to help you out as well. Even after that you do not get the right results, we will gladly issue you a refund. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Q. Do I need photography skills to use FotoStudioAI? A. Not at all. Our AI does all the hard work. If you can click a button, you can create amazing photos. Q. What kind of computer do I need? A. FotoStudioAI works on any modern computer, PC or Mac. If you can browse the web, you can use our software. Q. Is there a monthly fee? A. No. FotoStudioAI is a one-time purchase during this special launch period only for 4 days, after that it may turn into a subscription-only model. Q. Can I use the photos I create for commercial purposes? A. Absolutely. All photos you create with FotoStudioAI are yours to use as you wish, including for business or to sell them to clients or even on stock photo sites. Q. How quickly can I start making money? A. Many users can start earning within days of getting FotoStudioAI. Your success may vary based on your effort level, but the potential is there from day one. Q. What if I'm not satisfied with FotoStudioAI? A. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. Q. How often is FotoStudioAI updated? A. We release quarterly updates, adding new features and styles to keep you ahead of the competition. Q. Can I use FotoStudioAI on my phone or tablet? A. Yes. We have full mobile compatibility and you can log into your account on the phone too. Q. How many photos can I create? A. Completely depends on the package or plan you buy. Create as many photos as you want with our photo credit system. You can top up more credits anytime you want. Q. Do you offer customer support? A. Yes, we have a dedicated support team available to help you with any questions or issues. He recently got interviewed on a very popular podcast show where he shared how much he makes from this business. I literally used the worst photo I had on my phone and I got such a great professional shot without even stepping out of my bed. I cannot believe this technology exists today. I sent Ankur a photo of me on holiday and he sends me back this amazing professional photo that I uploaded to my LinkedIn profile. I've got so many connections I can hardly count. I am very impressed that I could make really good photos while having coffee with my friend. As an agency owner, I want to sell this service to my clients. It's an absolute no-brainer. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.